In this tutorial we will learn how to create a simple radar sensor that will detect anyone entering the space and log a timestamp on the OLED display. We will also add a timer between each detection to prevent multiple logs at once. For this project you will need a DS1307 RTC module, radar sensor, OLED display and Arduino. Connect everything according to this schematic. Start Visuino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add real-time clock RTC DS1307. Add OLED I2C display. Add change only component. Add detect edge component. Add clock on off switch component. Add timer component. Select timer 1 and add another 0 to the interval value. This means the sensor will wait 10 seconds between each time log. This timer prevents multiple time logs at once. You can change this value according to your needs. Add inverter component. Connect Arduino digital pin 8 to change only one pin in. Connect change only one pin out to detect edge one pin in. Connect detect edge one pin out to clock switch one pin in. Connect clock switch 1 pin out to timer 1 pin start and real-time clock 1 pin clock. Connect timer 1 pin out to inverter pin in. Connect inverter 1 pin out to clock switch 1 pin enable. Connect real-time clock 1 pin control to Arduino pin I2C in. Connect display OLED 1 pin out to Arduino pin I2C in. Connect real-time clock 1 pin out to display OLED 1 pin in. Click Send to Arduino button. In Arduino, click on the Upload button.